Hi guys, I wanted to share with you another tip that may help you grow faster on YouTube. Well guys, have you ever made a video that didn't rank as high as you thought it would rank, or that is possibly not getting the views that you wanted to get even though you have a subscriber base? Well, what you need to look for is, are you getting all those 8 checks that I had in the last video? Are they all being checked off? What you need to do is you need to make sure that you have plenty of meta tags that are in your video, or what they call tags, I guess now. But make sure that all of those tags are tagged off. So let's say your video is about changing a tire. Let's say it's changing a tire. Well, you need to have in your tags tire, changing tire, how to change a tire, how to change a tire by yourself, how to change a tire by yourself using a jack stand, how to change a tire by yourself with a jack, things such as that. So you need to go over all the list. Now if you have TubeBuddy, it's going to give you 3 for free unless you pay for it. If you pay for it, it's going to give you much more. I myself don't pay for it yet. My channel is not large enough to warrant me paying into TubeBuddy, although I think it's great and I would really like it. It's going to suggest 3 for you, and then you can type in as many as you want. You can type into YouTube at least up to 500 characters. That's a whole bunch of tags that you can put in there. Sometimes it's not easy to think of everything that can be put in there, but if you try and put as much as you can that's relevant to YouTube. If you put stuff in there that's not relevant to that YouTube video that you put out there, you're gonna get flagged. You don't want to get flagged. You don't want to put something misleading. Again, we're talking about changing a tire. You don't want to put about drinking water or how soda tastes in your tags. You want to put something relevant that's in your video in your tags, because you don't want to be flagged. So this is just another tip that can help you and your channel grow faster. I'm trying to adhere to it as much as I can so I can get my channel to grow. So I just wanted to pass along that tip to you to help you in your quest to become like PewDiePie, right? We all want to become like PewDiePie and get, the views that we really think our videos deserve. So remember, if I can help you save a few bucks or earn a few bucks, I will.